Hello, most warm greetings to everyone. My name is Ritika Ravan and I'm a teacher of Sai Public School, Kashipur. So, a few days back, we had conducted an online science quiz competition for our students so that during this COVID pandemic, this enjoyable learning doesn't get hindered. And I must say that our students performed really very well. Their zeal and enthusiasm didn't get any less. So let us become a witness of this quiz competition and let us see how the students performed. So welcome everyone in this live science quiz competition. The theme we have taken is commemoration of Hiroshima and Nagasaki Day, as these are the days when the world's first atomic bombs caused a vast destruction to the cities. And that is why these become one of the major topics of science discussion. Now let us see who the participants are. So we have made 4 teams over here. The first team is the fast and the curious. The second team is the genius minds. The third team is dynamic energy. And the fourth team is called the concept squad. Now let us see who the participants are of these teams. So the leader of first team is Naman Joshi. In his team we have Aryan Arora, Divya Garia, and then we have Lavish Sharma, Akriti Verma, and Ayush Kumar Yadav. The leader of second team is Ayushi Garjola, and the team members are Drishti, Harshita, then we have Divya Rawal as the last team member. Now the next team is being led by Shrishti Chauhan and the team members are Dhruv Gupta, Pooja, Anshuman and Arush Papnoi. And the last team is being led by Ishika Kumari and the team members are Shrishti Bhatnagar. Then the next team member of this team is Tejamya Maurya, then Anurag Pandey, Vinayak Rajput and then Himanshu Gupta. Now let us start the quiz.
So, first question you have, Naman, is which country is called the land of rising sun? The options are Italy, Japan, Australia, and France. Your time starts now. Okay, the time is over. Time is over, Naman. And Japan is the correct answer. Next, we have question number 2, and this will be given by Aishi's team. So, from Aishi's team, who wants to give the answer? Aishi, decide.
Christy.
Drishti, turn your camera and mic on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Drishti will give the answer. Next question we have, Drishti. That what was the date when the atomic bomb on Nagasaki was dropped? Okay, what was the date? So the options are 5 August 1946, 9 August 1946, 9 August 1945, and 8 August 1945. Time starts now.
9 August 1945.
Okay, you have given option C, 9 August 1945. So this is the correct answer. Good. You have got 1 point. Genius Minds has got 1 point. Okay. Now the third team is the dynamic energy. Shrishti, decide which team member of yours will give the answer.
Ma'am, Arush Papnoi.
Arush, turn your camera and mic on.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening, Arush. So Arush, your question is, what was the name of the bomb dropped on Hiroshima? Lean man,
Little boy.
fat woman, little boy, and big girl. So your time starts now.
Ma'am, little boy bomb.
Yes, exactly. The correct answer is little boy. So your team has got one answer. And one more thing, students, that you will give the answer when I complete speaking the options. After I complete speaking the complete answer, only then you will give the answer. So now the turn is of the concept squad. From this, Ishika, decide which team member is going to answer.
Ma'am, Srishti Bhatnagar.
Shrishti, turn your mic and camera on.
I
Okay.
turn on the camera.
Okay, Shrishti, you have to give the answer fast, as the network connection are also not proper. So the question we are having is, what was the name of the bomb dropped on Nagasaki? The options are fat man, lean girl, tall woman, short boy. Give the answer.
Ma'am, fat man.
Okay, yes,
Fat
your,
man.
yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is fat man. But Shrishti, you had to give the answer after I speak out the answer question completely. Okay. Next time you don't have to do this mistake. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now next we have the turn of the fast and the curious. Naman, decide who will give the answer.
Ayush Kumar Yadav.
Ayush Kumar Yadav, turn your camera and mic on.
Ma'am, my team got 1 point.
Yes, Shrishti. Ayush Kumar Yadav, turn
Yes,
your
ma'am.
camera and mic on.
Yes,
Okay, I
ma'am.
can. Okay, I can see you. So Ayush, your question is, what was the name of the aircraft that dropped the bomb on Hiroshima? So the options are Enola Gay B-29, Guy Enola B-28, Sadako Sasaki, or Boxer B-29. What is the correct answer?
Boxcar B-29. Hello?
The time is over. The time is over. Your answer was incorrect. Your answer was incorrect. So Shrishti Chauhan has given the answer Enola Gay B-29. Shrishti Chauhan has given the correct answer. So the points will be given to the dynamic energy. Now, the next team we are having is Genius Minds. I should decide who is going to give the answer.
Harshita.
Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Harshita, as you know that you have got 6 seconds, right?
Yes.
So those 6 seconds will start after I complete the question. So you have got time, and you have to give the answer after I speak the complete question. So the question is,
Okay, ma'am.
which aircraft dropped bomb on Nagasaki? The options are Enola Gay B-30, Boxcar, Tojo B-30, or Tojo B-29. Time starts now.
Ma'am, Tojo B-29.
Time is over. Harshita, your answer was correct. Oh, sorry, incorrect. And Aryan Arora has given the correct answer. Aryan Arora has given the correct answer, Boxcar. So Aryan Arora is in the team of.
Ma'am, Genius Minds.
Okay, so Genius Minds has got 1 point. Now, next turn is of Shrishti Chauhan. Shrishti, decide.
Ma'am, I.
Okay, Shrishti, you want to give the answer? Turn your camera and mics on. Okay, Shrishti, the question which you are having is, which element was used in Little Boy atomic bomb? Options are uranium-234, uranium-335, uranium-235, or uranium-238. Time starts now. Option number? Option C. Shrishti, you said option C, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So option C is the correct answer, uranium-235. Your team has got 1 point. Now next we have, next we have the concept squared. So Ishika, decide which member is going to answer.
Ma'am, Tejamya Maurya.
So Tejamya, turn your mic and camera on. Okay. So we have got Tejamya here. Mic also on, Tejamya.
My mic is on.
Okay, fine. So question you are having is, which element was used in Fat Man? The options are uranium-438, plutonium-238, plutonium-239, or uranium-240. Time starts now.
Ma'am, uranium-240.
Okay, time is over. You said uranium-240, but that is not correct answer. The correct answer is plutonium-239. So the answer has been given by Aryan Arora. First of all, plutonium-239. So the points will be given to Genius Minds. Plutonium-239 is the correct answer, not uranium-240. Uranium-240 is not any element. Now next turn is of Naman Joshi's team. Naman, decide.
Ma'am, Lavish.
Okay, Lavish, mic and camera on. Okay, good. So next, Lavish, we have the question for you. Who was the president of USA when the world's first atomic bombs were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki? Who was the president of USA at that time? Wait. So the options are Bill Clinton, Ronald Reagan, Harry S. Truman, Franklin Roosevelt. What is the answer? Yes, you have given the correct answer. So Harry S. Truman. Lavish gave the correct answer. So Naman Joshi's team, that is Fast and the Curious, has got 1 point. Now we have the chance of Genius Minds. Ayushi, decide.
Ma'am,
Okay, you are going to give the answer. Mic and camera on. So your question is, Who was the president of Japan when atomic bomb was dropped on Hiroshima? Jojo, Tojo S, Sansi S, or Tojo? Give the answer.
Tojo S.
Time is over. Tojo S is the incorrect option. Shrishti Bhatnagar, your answer is correct. Shrishti Bhatnagar's answer is correct. Option D, Tojo. Option D, Tojo is the correct answer. So Shrishti Bhatnagar is in the team of Shrishti Chauhan. No, Ishika Kumari. So the concept squad
Ma'am, the
has got
concept squad.
1 point. Yes. So concept squad has got 1 point. Now we have the chance of dynamic energy. Shrishti Chauhan, decide.
Ma'am, Anshuman Sharma.
Anshuman, mic and camera on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anshuman. Okay. Anshuman, the question for you is, what was the name of top secret project to develop the atomic bomb? What was the name of that project? So the options are Mexico project, Brazil project, Manhattan project, or the Finland project. So the time of starts now.
Ma'am, C.
Okay. So students had given, yes, Anshuman, your answer is correct. Correct. Option C, that is the Manhattan project, is correct. Good. Now it's the turn of concept squad. Ishika, decide.
Ma'am, Himanshu Gupta.
Himanshu, mic and camera on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Himanshu, your question is, what are the survivors of atomic bombing called? What are those survivors called? The options are Nogashuka, Sikanusha, Hibakusha, or Nagasaka. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, Nakasaka.
Time is over. No, Himanshu Gupta, Nagasaka is not the correct answer. I was asking, what are the survivors of atomic bombing called? Means the people who survived. Means जो लोग उस bomb से बच गए थे, who did not die at that time. तो उन लोगों को क्या बोला गया बाद में? Aryan will get the mark. Means this genius minds will get the marks. Okay. Pooja, you did not have to give the answer before time. Just keep that in mind, all of you. Now next we have is, right now we had, now it is the turn of the fast and the curious. So Naman, decide.
Ma'am, Divya Kariya.
Okay, Divya Gadia will give the answer. Divya, mic and camera on. Okay, Divya, your question is, what was the local time when the first atomic bomb was exploded on Hiroshima? What was the time at that event? So the options are 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m., 8:15 a.m., or 10 a.m. Time starts now.
Ma'am, 9:30 a.m. Ma'am, 9:30 a.m.
Okay, wait. Naman Joshi has given the answer at right time, and others had given the answer before the time got over. So the points will be given to this team only. 8:15 a.m. Divya, your answer was incorrect. Arush Papnoi, Drishti Dahiya, Tejam mein Aryan Arora, you gave the answer before time. So just be cautious about that. Now next we have Genius Minds.
Aryan Arora.
Okay, it's the chance of Aryan Arora now. Aryan, mic and camera on.
Yes, ma'am.
Camera also on. Aryan, camera on. Why are you wandering outside, Aryan? Just sit at a place. Okay, Aryan, your question is, which novel depicts the pain and suffering of the people during the Second World War? What is that novel? You know what a novel is. Wait for a while, let me complete. So, what is that novel? In which she has written about the pain and suffering of people. So the options are Chemical Period, The Dark Times, The Diary of Anne Frank, or An Old Man's Diary. So your time starts now.
The Diary of Anne Frank.
Exactly, very good. So the correct answer is The Diary of Anne Frank. So in your earlier classes, in your later classes, you will also get to read about some of the pages of this novel in your book, The Diary of Anne Frank. Now we have the chance of dynamic energy. Shrishti Chauhan, decide.
Ma'am, Dhruv Gupta.
Dhruv, mic and camera on. Okay, Dhruv. So your question is, where was India's first atomic bomb tested? So the options are Bijnor, that is Rajasthan, Pokhran, Rajasthan, Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, or Indore, Madhya Pradesh. So what is the correct answer? Dhruv.
B.
B. Pokhran, Rajasthan, you said. So yes, your answer is correct. Pokhran, Rajasthan is the correct answer, where India's first atomic bomb tested. Many of you must have seen the movie Parmanu. Okay, so in that movie only, about this Pokhran, Rajasthan, the first atomic bomb testing has been shown in that movie, the movie Parmanu. If you have not watched, then you can watch it. Now next we have the turn of concept squared. Ishika, decide.
Bye bye.
Okay, Ishika wants to give the answer. Ishika, camera and mic on. So Ishika, your question is, how much did the bomb dropped on Hiroshima weigh? What is the weight of that bomb which was dropped on Hiroshima? So the options are 1900 pounds, 9700 pounds, 2000 pounds, or 7600 pounds. Time starts now.
Ma'am,
Fast.
2000 points. Ma'am,
No. Incorrect. Again, Aryan Arora has given the answer on correct time. Yes. Aryan Arora has given the answer on correct time. Option B, 9700 pounds. So this will go to Genius Minds again. Now this is the turn of the fast and the curious. Naman, decide.
Ma'am, Akriti Verma then.
Yeah, Akriti, turn your camera and mic on. Okay, Akriti, your question is, which place was the US B-29 bomber plane targeting in Hiroshima? Means वो जो plane था वो target कहाँ कर रहा था, वो कहाँ bomb को गिराना चाहता था? तो options are promotional hall, AOI branch, arms factory, or Shima hospital. So the time starts now.
Ma'am, IO Bridge.
Yes, very good. You have given the correct answer. Option B, AOI bridge. This is the correct answer. This was the place where target the bomb. So this is correct answer. Now next we have Genius Minds. I should decide.
Drishti Daya.
and Divya Rawat has joined.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the way you have to give the answer. My camera on. Okay. So your question is, Divya. Where did the bomb actually explode in Hiroshima? Earlier you saw that target कहाँ किया जा रहा था, but where did it actually explode? लेकिन वो actual में कहाँ explode हुआ? So the options are promotional hall, AOI bridge, Shima hospital, arms factory. The time starts now.
Promotional hall.
So Tejamya Maurya has given the answer.
Ma'am, I have said.
No, it's not the correct answer. Option C, Shima hospital is the correct answer, and the answer had been given on time by Tejamya Maurya. So Tejamya Maurya is in the team, the concept square. So the points will go to that team. Now it's the turn of dynamic energy. Shrishti Chauhan, decide.
Ma'am, now all the participants have completed. Again, I have to start.
Yeah, you can choose anyone now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Aru Swapna.
Okay, I'm dictating the question. You have to turn your mic on. Sorry, camera on. So Arush, your question is, when was World War II started? World War II कब start हुआ था? So the options are 1939, 1943, 1948 or 1940. So the time starts now.
Ma'am, A.
A mean?
Ma'am, 1930. Ma'am, you have said.
Yeah,
Yes,
1939. Yeah, exactly. It's the correct answer. 1939 is the correct answer. Okay, 1 point you have got. Now next we have the concept squared. Ishika, decide.
Ma'am, Vinayak Rajput.
Vinayak, camera and mic on.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. So your question is, who was the emperor of Japan during World War II? World War II के time पे जापान का emperor कौन था? So the options are Naruhito, Akihito, Hirohito or Masako. So your time starts now.
Ma'am, Akihito. Akihito?
No, the wrong answer. So Tejamya Maurya has given the answer on correct time. Now it's the turn of Fast and the Furious. Now onwards I'm going to speak the time for you. Fast and the Curious, Naman Joshi, decide.
Ma'am, me. No one is left.
Okay. Camera on. So your question is, Naman, how much approximate weight did the bomb Fat Man had? What was the approximate weight of bomb Fat Man? The options are 8,700 pounds, 5,600 pounds, 6,300 pounds, or 10,300 pounds.
B.
Yes.
5,600
Yeah.
pounds.
D is not 5,600 pounds. D is 10,300 pounds.
Ma'am,
So,
B.
okay, what did you say?
B. 5,600 pounds.
It's not correct answer, Naman. It's not correct. Next, I have the genius minds. I should decide.
Aryan Arora.
Aryan Arora, you have to give the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Camera on. So, Aryan, your question is, when was World War I started? 1935, 1914, 1927, or 1932? Time starts now. 10, 7, 6, 5,
1914.
3, 2, what? 1. 1914, he said. Okay. Exactly. Your answer was correct. Yeah. Correct. 1914 is the correct answer. So your team has got 1 mark. Okay. Next one we have dynamic energy. Choose.
Ma'am, Dhruv Gupta.
Dhruv. Okay, Dhruv, your question is, which of the following reaction was used in those bombs? कौन सी reaction का use किया गया था? The options are nuclear fission, nuclear fusion, both A and B, or none of these. So the time starts now. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayushi has given. Okay, you said A. Yes. Correct, Dhruv. A, nuclear fission. You have given the correct answer. Nuclear fission is the correct answer. So you have got 1 point. Now it's the chance of the concept squad. Ishika, decide.
Ma'am, in
Ishika,
my team there is no one.
Anurag Pandey was also there, I guess. Yes, Anurag was also there in your team.
Ma'am, I
Okay, ma'am. Anurag Pandey.
Anurag, you will give the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Anurag, your question is, when did World War II end? The options are 1946, 1948, 1947, or 1945. Time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
1947.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. D. Yes, Ayushi has given the answer. So, next we have, okay, after this, the fast and the curious. So, these questions related to Hiroshima and Nagasaki have been ended. Now we have the surprise questions, which I had talked with you about, and it is related to whatever we have studied till now in science. So, from Naman's team, who wants to give the answer?
Ma'am, I.
Naman, decide.
Ma'am, Akriti.
Okay, Akriti will give the answer. Akriti, your first question is, the root, stem, and leaves constitute the dash part of the plant body. Options are vegetative, reproductive, both A and B, or none of these. Time starts now. 10, 9, 8,
Ma'am,
7.
vegetative.
Yes, good. It's the correct answer, vegetative. You have got 1
Ma'am.
point. Next, we have Genius Minds. Who is going to give the answer?
Ma'am, I.
Okay. So, your question is, the part of the plant which prevents soil erosion is called 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Naman has given the answer. Root is the part of the plant which prevents the soil erosion. So this point will give in the fast and the curious. Now next we have dynamic energy. Shrishti, choose.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will give the answer?
Ma'am, I.
Okay. So your question is, turn your camera also on. Okay. So the question is, which of the following is a stem? Turnip, onion, radish, carrot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Correct.
Onion. Ayush Kumar Yadav has given the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
The point goes to the fast and the curious. Next we have the concept squared. Ishika Kumari, decide who wants to give the answer.
Ma'am, Srishti Bhatnagar.
Okay, Shrishti Bhatnagar. Turn your camera and mic on. Your
Yes,
question is, the food prepared by the leaves is stored as what? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, Naman has given. Naman has given the correct answer. He has said starch. Starch is the correct answer. So the food prepared by the leaves is stored as starch. We have recently studied this also. Now it's the chance of the fast and the curious. Naman, who is going to give the answer?
Ayush Kumar Yadav.
So Ayush Kumar Yadav's turn it is. So Ayush, your question is, turn your camera on, Ayush.
Ma'am, I have already turned on.
Okay. So your question is, stomata helps in dash, dash and dash. 3 things you have to write over here. In what things stomata helps in? So the time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ma'am,
3 things.
ma'am, water.
It has gone. Time is over. Whoever will give the answer will write 3 things. 3 things at a time. 3 things at a time. No one has given the answer till now.
Ma'am, I have given. Ma'am, I have also given.
Yes, it's food and
3 answer at a time.
Ma'am, I have given.
Those are incorrect. Incorrect.
Ma'am, I have.
Yes, Naman has given the correct answer. All the 3 answers at the correct and at the same time. Photosynthesis, gas exchange and transpiration. Yes, this is the correct answer. Food and water, ये stomata food and water में थोड़ी ना help करता है, Manshu Gupta. Okay, so these are the 3 things: photosynthesis, gas exchange and transpiration. These are the 3 things. So the fast and the curious has got the point. Now next we have genius mind. Saishi, who is going to give the answer?
Harshita.
Okay, Harshita, your question is, the region of attachment of leaf with the stem is called what? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Aishi has given the answer. At you. So the point will go to the genius minds. Next we have dynamic energy. Shrishti Chauhan, who is going to give the answer?
Anshuman Sharma.
Anshuman, turn your camera on and mic also. Okay, Anshuman, your question is, flowers, fruit and seeds constitute the dash part of the plant body. So the options are vegetative, reproductive, both A and B, or none of these. Time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Ma'am, B.
4. Okay, you have given the answer. B. Yes, exactly. B is the correct answer. So the points will be given to you, dynamic energy. Okay. B is the correct answer. Now next we have the concept squared. Ishika, who is going to give the answer?
Ma'am, Tejamya.
Tejamya. Okay, Tejamya. Camera on. Okay. So your question is, a food sample is taken in a test tube and a few drops of iodine solution were added to it. It was observed that the solution turned into blue-black due to the presence of which component? Time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ma'am, ethanol.
No, Akriti has given the answer. So this will go to fast and the furious. Ethanol is not the correct answer, Tejamya. Starch is the correct answer. That iodine solution is used for the presence of, to test the presence of starch or carbohydrates. Okay, starch is also the form of carbohydrates. Now next we have the chance of fast and the curious. Who is going to give the answer?
Ma'am, Lavish.
Lavish. Mic and camera on.
Ma'am, Kalmira.
Okay. Okay, Lavish. Your question is, the components of food that do not provide any nutrient to our body but are essential are called dash and dash. Time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ma'am, नहीं पता.
Okay. Answer has been given by Ayushi. Roughage and water. Yes. So the points will go to Genius Minds. Roughage and water are the correct answer. Now next we have the turn of Genius Minds. Okay, who is going to give the answer?
Ma'am, Drishti.
Drishti, camera on. Yes, okay, Drishti, your question is, which nutrient can be identified by using copper sulfate and caustic soda? What is that nutrient? 10, 9, 8, 7,
Carbohydrates.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we have got the answer by Naman Joshi. Protein. Yes, Naman has given the answer protein. So the points will be given to Fast and the Curious. Now next we have dynamic energy. So Shrishti Chauhan, who is going to give the answer. Okay. So the question is, Arush, what is the function of vitamins? Vitamins का क्या काम होता है? So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, Ayushi has given the correct answer. To protect from diseases. Naman Joshi ने सिर्फ protection लिखा है. Protection is not the correct answer. Drishti said to give energy. It is also not correct answer. The correct answer is to protect from disease. Yes, Himanshu Gupta has also given the answer, but Ayushi gave it earlier. So the points will go to the Genius Minds. Now next we have the concept spread. Ishika, decide who is going to give the answer.
Ma'am, Himanshu Gupta.
Okay, Himanshu Gupta, you have to give the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Camera on.
I'm on.
Okay. So Himanshu, your question is, which of the following statement is incorrect? The first statement is incorrect statement choose करना है. First statement is some materials are shiny but some are dull. Second, some materials are hard whereas some are soft. Third, some stones are transparent while some glasses are opaque. D, some materials are rough but some are smooth. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Ma'am, your
5,
voice is not coming.
4.
Current glasses are opaque.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, Himanshu, the answer was correct. Option C is the correct answer. Some stones are transparent while some glasses are opaque. This is not correct. This is incorrect option. So these are the only questions and we have the results. This Fast and the Curious have got 11 points. Oh, the Genius Minds has also got 11 points. Very nice. And this Dynamic Energy has got 8 points. And Concept Squared has got 6 points. So we have 2 winners over here. That is the Fast and the Curious and Genius Minds.
Ma'am.
Okay. So should I ask a question to both the teams to
Yes, ma'am.
decide who will come first
Yes,
and
ma'am.
who will come second?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that will be a
Yes,
high
ma'am.
level question then. That will be a high level question. Let us see who gives the answer in the chat box and that also correctly. Which team member? So the question I am writing over here. Just keep watching. I am writing over here.
Ma'am, please speak also.
What is the difference between fission and fusion? Nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. What is the difference between both of them? Nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. Atomic bomb we have studied. That whole topic was about nuclear fission or fusion. So what is the difference between? Yes, exactly. Naman, you have given the answer. Very nice. Naman has
Ma'am,
given
it
the
is
answer. So, in this one, Naman's team, that is the Fast and the Curious, has got one more point. So, the first place winner we have the Fast and the Curious, and at the second place we have Genius Minds. Then third we have Dynamic Energy, and the fourth we have the Concept Squid. So every participant has performed very well. So congratulations to everyone that you performed so well, that you had studied everything, whatever the topic was, whatever topic we had decided, you studied very deeply, all of it. And most of the answers were given very nicely. Even you were giving the answers in the chat box, and that was happy to see that you are knowing the answers. You know the answers, and you had given in the chat box. So after this, thank you for participating, all of you. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So that was a good time which I spent with you all. I hope you all enjoyed the quiz very much. And that is all. That is all that matters. Winning or losing doesn't matter. What matters is that you are enjoying the process. Whatever is happening, whatever study is going on, whatever quiz is going on, whatever you are answering, you should just enjoy that. And I know that every one of you has enjoyed this. So thank you for participating, all the participants. I'm congratulating to all of you. You all performed very well.